Hey guys, welcome back to video 2. Today we're going to go back to our post manager. Today we're going to do a CTA post. Now what CTA means is click to action. Alright, so might see things with little buttons in them that say join now, stuff like that. That's what this is. Now I use this a lot for my affiliates. People always ask me how I'm making $400 or $500 signups all the time through ClickBank, and this is what I tell them. I go here, I go ahead and create a new post. I go ahead and, of course, name my post, which is going to be post 2 for this. I don't know how the heck that just happened, but post 2. All right, we're going to select the page, which is going to be the Social Leg VIP. Put a message on there. This really works. Alright, so I must have hit cap locks by accident. Yeah, let's get those off. Alright guys, so now what you're going to do is you're going to put any kind of affiliate URL in here. Okay, so where I make a lot of money is through ClickBank. Okay, I get big checks every week from them, and this is how I do it. So I'll go over to ClickBank. If you don't already have an account, it's free, biggest marketplace in the world for digital products. So I only mess with things that have residuals and pay big money. So I always go to eBusiness and stuff like that. All right, it's going to have me log back in. All right, so here are the affiliates I can promote. As you can see, this one pays $212 for a sign up. It has a rebill of $159, and on the rebill, I make 40%. So there's a residual plus $212 on the sale. This one is $454 on the sale with average rebill of $236, and I make 50% of that rebill, so roughly $115. 117.50, something like that. All right, so and then this one right here, which is one of my favorites, I've made a lot of money from this guy. I'm not going to say how much because you know how people get. So this one pays $461.40, plus it has an average rebill of $301, and you're going to make 49% of the rebill. Okay, so this is going to pay you big on the sign up, and it will also go ahead and give you a residual monthly, which I'm telling you, I've been doing this for 22 years. This is what you want to do. All right, so let's go ahead and start with this one right here. We're going to go ahead and use ClickBank University. It's a very popular one. It's very professional looking, so we're going to hit promote, and that automatically puts your account name in there, and this is your tracking ID. So I'm going to use this on Facebook, so I'm going to put FB. So when I get the sale, I know where it came from. So I'm going to generate the hop link, copy it here, okay? Then we're going to go back over to Social Leg and simply just drop that link right on in there, okay? And now that link is in there, you're going to see this. Now what it will do, it will populate a picture and stuff once it hits Facebook. Right now it will not. And we are working on that part to make that happen. Now click to action button. Okay, so this is very important. So right now it says message page. Now I use message page a lot because I use the actual other thing called messenger bot on here, which we'll get into that in another video. So today we're going to leave it at message page, or you can pick pretty much anything you want. You can put subscribe, play. It's a call to action. Most people use call to actions because they work. So let's go ahead and leave it at message the page. You know what? Let's go ahead and say sign up. Okay, so we're going to put sign up there. All right, so now if you want to take that link and put it anywhere else, there it is. Okay, so you can copy that and put it somewhere, and it will populate exactly what it's about to populate on Facebook. So you can enable comment bots here, which we'll get into. You'll need to watch the comment bot video, which is coming soon. I'm going to go ahead and put now. So instead of later, we both know, everybody knows you can schedule all of these to dates and times and stuff. So, but we're going to go ahead and go with now. And we're going to simply hit submit. And now that will show us where the post is in our software. Now let's run over here to Facebook to see if it actually works, which we know it does, but I like to say that. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Should have a call to action on it. It shouldn't have no URL showing, because that makes it look awful when people just copy and paste URLs of their affiliate links. There it is. So this really works. So this is what people are going to see. Now, instead of a URL up there where they have to click on this sign up button or they got to click on this part, they can just click on the image itself, okay, anywhere, and it's going to take them here. Now, when someone signs up here, I make what? $212 plus a monthly residual of about 40% of that would be roughly about $60 a month there. And so let's go back over to the ClickBank University link here. So just to prove that I'm Texas 1020, of course, you see that in my ClickBank. So let's make sure my affiliate link is actually in here. So let's go ahead and go down to sign up or buy or whatever. And that's how you guys can tell when your affiliate link is actually in there. Okay. Oh, here they're going to ask for a name, email. All right. Continue to the final step. So basically, they just got my name and email address in case I back out on this payment. So down here at the bottom of everything that you ever sell through ClickBank, it will say affiliate equals, and there I am, Texas 1020, and that's FB because I know it's from Facebook. All right. So that's how you do a CPA, and you can use that for videos. I use Click Per Action a lot. Okay, this is one of my favorite. I don't use much of the normal posts. I use CTA with everything because I can put a call to action. Okay, all right, guys, that's the video. I will catch you on the next one. Everybody have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that like button. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.